Today I'm going to show you where to access the tire service kit for the spare tire on the Chevy Tahoes. This one is a 2010. I guess maybe 2010 models will work. This one is a 2013, and we'll check this one. But to access the tools, what you simply need to do is open up the trunk, come here to the third row cup holders, pull this out like so, and there it is. There's everything you're gonna need to service your tire kit. Sweet. Let's go ahead and put this back on just like so. Let's go ahead and check this other one, and we'll go ahead and pull this one here. This one does not have it, but this is also located there. So this one doesn't have it, but it is located right there as well. So that's where that is located. The tire service kit for the Chevy Tahoes. I think maybe the Suburbans and the Yukons as well. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.